Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to put items on sale on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, from your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Products tab in the left side menu and choose a product you want to put on sale. Inside the product editor, if you scroll a little bit, you will see that for each variant, you have the price. In order to put these items on sale, simply select all of the variants and click on Bulk Edit. After that, you just need to click on the Columns feature at the top and make sure to enable the Compare to Price feature. Once done, a new column will be added. You just need to enter the base price of the product. Also, you will need to change the price value to the sale price. After you're done with it, click on Save and then preview the product to see the real-time changes. If you have a product that has no variants, then the Compare to Price field will always be enabled for it. So that's basically how you can put items on sale on Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.